Jennifer. I am so excited to show you one of the premier homes in the Rolling Woods neighborhood, 111 Ponderosa Drive.
You have been talking about this property, and I cannot wait to see this mid-century escape.
Come on in. This 1967 2,753 square foot mid-century modern boasts 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The 4th bedroom can serve as a future ADU design, office, or flex space. The LVP and engineered flooring span the lower level of this home. The Tuscan-influenced kitchen design makes cooking and entertainment a joy. You don't want to miss the timeless details throughout this home. Okay, I have to show you this. Look, this is a built-in vintage record player. Can you believe it?
Oh, that is so fun and cute. I love it. And is this an old intercom system?
It was the vintage technology, how they spread out their surround sound throughout the property. There is so much charm and detail that's still true to the era of this home.
It's beautiful. And is that a swimming pool I see outside?
Yes, I cannot wait to show you that outside. Step outside into your backyard oasis retreat, equipped with an outdoor kitchen, Trex and redwood deck, bean-shaped swimming pool, grand oaks, and garden beds ready for your green thumb. Isn't this incredible?
This is such a tranquil setting.
I know.
I love it.
There you go.
Thank you.
I hope that the future buyers enjoy this house as much as the sellers have.
I do too.
Cheers.
Cheers.